Hi, welcome to another video. So today you are gonna have review on best email marketing products. After testing and researching a lot of the best email marketing services, and my top recommendations and what you need to know when deciding which is the best email marketing platform for you. So, let's start. The first product on my list is ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is a Chicago-based automation tool which helping their 90,000 customers send fewer emails while, at the same time, achieving better results. They have many features and integrations, as well as quick and friendly support. They do sound like a powerhouse newsletter marketing tool. One of their most important features is automation. Not only does it allow autoresponders based on myriad conditions, but it also allows automation of your contacts and list management, as well as automation within its CRM system or customer relationship manager. It's a really simple one, so don't expect it to up the sales force or something like that, but it does let you manage your customers, and track their history and a whole lot of other fun stuff. So their CRM system also allows you to add notes to contacts, set up an appointment or simply send direct messages to them. In addition to that, they have customer messages feature. Using it you can send targeted messages straight to your website visitors, therefore optimizing the overall customer experience. And even really advanced things, really cool things for your business, like adding people to a custom Facebook audience or even creating a custom webhook that you can throw out at a certain point in your automation or in your workflow. ActiveCampaign pride themselves on their approach to helping you build meaningful connections with your customers through their software. And, while at first glance pages such as the dashboard can seem a little busy and overly complicated, but it's not hard to understand how useful it is to have all your information in one place. Now the next email platform that I want to share with you is GetResponse. GetResponse claims to be the easy-to-use newsletter tool available in the market with the tons of pro features. This is a big claim, especially their prices are so competitive. It is a Polish-based company and its global reach extends to 183 countries, and it claimed to engage over 1 billion subscribers every month. Now that's a huge list of emails. Feature-wise, they have most of the features of all the other email platforms such as context scoring, tagging, simple A/B testing, to custom landing pages and comprehensive design testing, even video email marketing. One of the features I love about GetResponse is that there's an opt-in form builder that you can use. They can go through. It's as easy as dragging and dropping certain elements and fields and buttons so that you can create your own opt-in forms for your website visitors' response. Their landing pages are also a part of the interest as they are part of the conversion funnel, with a new feature which takes care of traffic generation and can even act as an online store including payment processing. Another feature that's worth mentioning is their automation, allowing for advanced automated campaigns based on triggers, conditions such as sales or even location. There are other tools also offer automation, but most of them are not so powerful or user-friendly. On their top-tier plans, you also get access to their webinar feature, as well as an inbuilt CRM extras you don't commonly see in email marketing platforms. On the other hand, in their terms and the acceptable use, there's nothing really mentioned in terms of affiliate marketing. So overall, if it's still not clear from this overview which one is the best for you, then I will suggest grabbing a free trial of each of them and diving in and checking them out for yourself. Links are in the description below. So that's all for this video. Hope you got some value from this. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to his channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on any future videos. If you have any queries, then do let me know on the comment section. I will try my best to answer all your questions, and thanks a lot for watching. I will see you in the next video.